Our colleague died yesterday after mixing these two dangerous chemicals. I'm going to show you in this video. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning up to the end so that you can learn what you didn't know about these two dangerous chemicals. Hello my people, let me hope everyone is doing fine. I am doing fine too. Yeah, so in today's video I am going to show you two dangerous chemicals you didn't know. Yes, two dangerous chemicals you didn't know. So the first chemical is this one. Hope you guys can read. I'm trying to make sure you see. This is called Clorox. Yes, Clorox. This chemical is very dangerous, very dangerous, as I'm going to be explaining to you today. Then we have another chemical, which is this one. This is called flash. Yes, flash. But this chemical is more dangerous than the other one. So these two are two different types of poison. These two. Never try to mix these two chemicals when you still want your life. A colleague of mine yesterday died after a few minutes of mixing these two chemicals. They are very dangerous, as you can hear. Yes. So here is what happened yesterday to the girl. Yesterday I got a call from that colleague. It was around midday, and she was like, Mary, you know what, I am not feeling fine because I have been using these two chemicals, because my boss has told me that I should use them to clean the bathroom because the bathroom had some stains. You know, these two dangerous chemicals are very good at removing stains. Yes, these two, they are very good at removing stains. So this girl was told to use these chemicals, but she did not know that they are very dangerous, very dangerous. So what she did, she mixed these two chemicals in one bucket, and she added some powdered soap. Here we call it a Tide. It can be Ariel, it can be Magic, it can be Omo, it can be any powdered soap. So she mixed these two chemicals, and after mixing them, she went ahead and added some powdered soap. And that's where the problem came from. Yes, so let's continue. This girl mixed these chemicals in one bucket, and after mixing them, she went ahead and added some powdered soap, and then after she went to the bathroom to clean it. But the biggest mistake she did, she closed herself inside the bathroom and started cleaning. Remember, whenever these two chemicals are mixed, they start reacting, and unfortunately she also added powdered soap, so the reaction was a bit higher, and that reaction, it normally causes shortness in breathing. So that's what happened. So she called me and she was like, Mary, you know what, I'm not doing fine. I am having a shortness breathing. So I was like, you know what, so like I gave her some first aid. Yes, I gave her some first aid, though I will not mention it here because I don't know if it is okay for the doctors and whatever, since I'm not a doctor by profession. Then after I told her, please make sure you tell your bosses to take you to the hospital, and this girl was taken to the clinic because she has been staying in those deep villages, deep places of Saudi Arabia. So she was rushed to the small clinic from where she got more first aid, and then the condition really wasn't good. She was referred to a very big government hospital here in Saudi Arabia. I remember when she was being taken to the small clinic, she left her phone home, but I kept on communicating with her bosses, asking them what's happening, how is she, what's happening, like that, as you know. So her bosses kept on giving me updates about the girl, and remember it was something like a very big distance from that place of theirs to the big government hospital. So as soon as they entered the gate of the hospital, then the girl made her last breath. So I'm sorry. In my next video, I will be showing you, or I will be giving you some preventive measures you can use for your safety when you are using these two chemicals, because we have to use them, because like they are very good on cleaning. They remove stains. So in my next video, I will be showing you some preventive measures you can take while using these two chemicals. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing, and then don't forget to hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you always get notified. Yes, and if you are my returning subscriber, I really thank you so much. May God bless you. May God grant you whatever you need. So that's how our colleague died yesterday, just in a few minutes after mixing those two dangerous chemicals. Yes, we are here to learn. You know, learning never ends. We learn every day. So I know some people have learned something in this video. In my next video, make sure you check out, make sure you keep on checking on my channel. Yes, make sure you keep on checking on my channel. In my next video, I will be giving you some preventive measures you can use while using these two dangerous chemicals. They are very dangerous to human beings, but on the other hand, they are very good on cleaning. Like they are very good on removing stains, on bleaching and whatever. So that's all for today. See you in my next video. I love you.